Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance to save on your trading fees. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, then tap on the Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the rewards hubs option. So you need to simply tap on it, and now you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see all of your available vouchers. So you need to see if a trading fee rebate voucher is there. You need to make sure that the expiration date and rebate percentage is also associated with that voucher. So here you need to tap on the my vouchers section, and you will be able to see all of the vouchers here in this section. So if you have any of the vouchers here, you need to simply tap on that in order to activate it, and the rebate will now automatically apply to the eligible trades on Binance. So here are some of the things that you need to remember. Like, once you have activated, Binance will automatically refund a percentage of your trading fees. The rebate also applies to spot future trading depending on the type of your voucher, and you can check fee rebate history in wallet and the transaction history. So if this video helped you out, please give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more crypto related content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.